All right, well, I'm not really sure if this is actually the case, but here's something that I've observed. Now, you might know the Photoshop remove tool, okay? You know, it works pretty well for removing like an object, obviously. And when I first tried it, immediately I thought, hey, this could work for healing, perhaps. And I thought it was okay. It was a little slow, but it got some decent results. But recently, I've been playing around with it like this. So first of all, I don't have sample all layers on the top, and I do not have remove after each stroke. And so what I do is I go and I decide I'm going to do all my healing areas, or rather areas that I would normally heal, do them all at once, and then, you know, hit the check mark up here or hit return and let it do its work. It can run as long as 60 seconds sometimes. But here's what I don't know if it's true. What I think might be true is that because it's using a type of AI, that when I give it an entire image to work with, I feel, or rather when I give it all the edits at once, I feel like it analyzes the whole image and makes the best choices. I've had like skin texture show up out of nowhere that matches the image perfectly on some pretty, let's call them ambitious removes or heals. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to take a minute here. We'll fast forward this, but I'm going to take a minute here and do all of the healing that I think I want to do on this shot, and then hit, you know, enter or go. So let's do all the healing first. All right, so let's hit OK or enter or the checkbox up here, and let's see what happens. And I'll even let you know how long it takes. We're going to fast forward the video, but I'll let you know how long it takes. Here we go. All right, so that took about 20 seconds. And so let's look. There's the original. We're going to remove, there it is. See, that is to me a really spotless result. And I feel like, gosh, how can I really compare that one at a time? It's almost impossible, but I swear to you, if you do it all at once and then hit OK, it makes better decisions. And I think overall it saves me a ton of time. So I've been using the healing brush, or rather, excuse me, the remove tool like a healing brush, and I do everything at once and then I hit enter or go, and I'm starting to get really great results. Now, this is September of 2024 as I'm using it. When I first tried the remove tool, I did not get results that I liked. Now I'm really liking it, and waiting 20, 30, 40, 50 seconds. Again, I'm not trying any type of super ambitious removes or anything like that, but I've had a lot of success. And I think as I explore it more, I'm going to make more videos and talk to you guys about it. But this little remove tool as a healing tool has been super impressive. Again, do not remove after each stroke. Try it all at once. See if you get a more consistent result, because I don't see a single blurry spot on here that I would call a bad heal. Pretty impressive, Adobe.